Hello everybody and welcome back to Video Geek Squad. In this video we're going to be talking about FlexClip, which is a lifetime deal that is available right now currently on AppSumo. And this is a way for you to step up your video creation game, and it's a way for you to make some quick slides and for presentations, etc. And it is an awesome tool for you to make videos. I'm going to be sharing with you some tools and things at a later point using FlexClip, but in the meantime, let's get into it and talk a little bit about the product, and then we'll be able to revisit this in a second. Now, it is an all-in-one web tool for making videos, movies, and slideshows, as I said. It has a powerful editor that's already built into it. So if you are looking to edit your videos, create your videos, and edit your videos, you will have editing ability inside of this software. Now, me personally, I always use Camtasia to do all of my video editing. It just seems to help me a whole lot easier. I have an ecosystem that I've sort of created where I use Camtasia and I also use Snagit, and it sort of just helps me to maneuver around things a lot faster. I'm able to label things a lot quicker, and Snagit and Camtasia sort of work hand in hand, okay? So that's why I sort of do that. Now, you can also use the storyboard. They have a very large stock image file that you can use, as well as templates that you can use. So it really is going to help you if you're looking to boost your productivity and do a lot of other things. It's going to help you tremendously. Okay. Now, I'm going to get into FlexClip. We're going to talk a little bit about it. It says that it's an alternative to Canva. I don't normally look at this as an alternative to Canva because I believe Canva has a little bit more things added to it, but I think that you guys are going to really be able to use this to step up your video creation game. And that's one of the reasons why I sort of recommend it, because I think it's going to help you when it comes to stepping up your video creation. Okay. Now, in this particular instance, let's talk a little bit about the plans and the features here. We're going to talk a little bit about that so we can really understand that. Now, you're going to get lifetime access to the basic plan. So you're going to have basic plan access, and this is going to be for a lifetime, right? You're also going to be able to redeem your code within 60 days. So once you purchase it, you'll have 60 days to redeem it. If there are any future plans and updates, you'll be able to get all the future plans and updates. And this is going to apply to all of you who do not have an existing account. So if you don't have an existing account, this is going to be for you. Okay. Now let's talk a little bit about the basic plan. Okay, and what's actually in the basic plan. And I want to give you guys a real understanding of this because this is really awesome. And I'm going to be giving you an inside look into it as well. So this is your basic plan. It's going to run you about $49, okay, and that's for a lifetime deal. Now, what are you going to get in there? You're going to get a video editor, movie maker, slideshow maker, and a screen recorder. So you're going to be able to record your screen with this as well. Okay, you're going to be able to add a custom watermark if that's something that you like. There will not be a FlexClip intro to any of your videos. You will be able to have unlimited video downloads as well. You'll be able to get also all the sticker overlays. Let's do this a little bit clearer so you can see it. You get all the sticker overlays as well. You also get access to copyright-free music. So you guys will have copywritten free music that you can use as well. You're going to get 3,000 professionally designed templates. And so there's a whole lot here, guys. You're going to get rich animated elements, millions of royalty-free media resources. That you can make the videos right now in 8 languages. So if you're looking to do it in multiple languages, you can do that as well. You're going to be able to upload in custom fonts. You're going to get 50 gigabytes of video hosting space. And so what I recommend you guys to do is to put it into your folder system and make sure that you have it there as well. Okay. You get HD downloads. Okay. You can save up to 10 templates. You get 25 background removal credits. And that's so that you can remove. Now you can stack codes. If you stack the code, you get all of the above. If you add an additional code, plus you get full HD downloads plus 5 stock videos or audios per project. Okay. All right. And you can also if you add, what is that, 1, 2, 3 codes, you get 10 minutes worth of video length. Okay, and you're going to get some additional storage. And if you stack 2, 3, 4 codes, you're able to get up to 30 minutes in video length. Now, if you're creating YouTube videos, I'm going to recommend that you stack multiple codes on this. Make sure that you stack 2, 3, 4 codes on this, and then that way you get a full 30 minutes worth of length. This is what I use, and I'm definitely going to recommend that you do that as well. Okay, now just so that you know, most of the reviews on this, as you can see, it has over 324 reviews. All of the reviews are the 5 tacos, and the price is going to start for you guys at a one-time purchase of only $49. So it is a good product, and you guys will be able to do an awesome job with this software, especially if you're looking to step up your video creation game. Okay, now let's look at the product and let's sort of dive into it a little bit and take a look and demo the product a little bit. All right, now when you first come to FlexClip, you're going to be at the home page. I'm going to log in here in just a second for you guys. But when you initially come, this is going to give you a lot of information. If you have personal, whether you want to do birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, these are going to give you all sorts of things. If you're doing a vlog style video or something like that, you can do that. It's going to give you business services. So if you're in real estate, sport or fitness, you guys are going to get a lot of stuff. They can also do intros and outros for your video. So like if you're doing something on YouTube, you can create a video or intro or outro for your video. So that way you'll have it and you'll be able to grow from that as well. If you're doing social media, you can do YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikToks, and all that sort of stuff, as well as your community. All right. So let me log into the software and then we'll do the demo at this point. Okay, guys. So once you come in, you've got your tabs. You can actually scroll through some of this stuff, and if you like certain things, you can literally favorite them and go back at a later time. It'll show you all the things that have been recently added. So you can kind of scroll through these things, and you could take a look at whether they're like vertical videos and the time frames for that. So you can sort of look at that sort of stuff. Okay. All right, so now let's sort of go into this, and if you come in here, it's going to give you, and I don't know, what does my projects, oh, okay, so I guess I must have took it out. All right, so you can actually use this for all of your products, okay? So you can go to templates. This is a template that I'm working on for a video that I'm about to create and release. And you can even, like I said, highlight stuff that you like as your favorites, okay? But you can start creating stuff here. You can start from scratch. If you start from scratch, you can create a 16:9, a 9:16. This is a little bit 1:1, 4:5, or 21:9. This is going to be if you were doing something like Facebook, maybe Instagram, something like that. You can use a lot of these interchangeably, so it's really cool. Now you have 2 different types. You can do what's called timeline mode, or you can do storyboard mode, okay? Now timeline mode is where you're going to pretty much just drag and drop stuff, and you're going to be able to pick your media. You pick your media, and it's going to revert back to the last setting that you had. But let's just choose this one just for the sake of this video, right? And we're going to choose this. Okay, let's change the size of it. We'll make it 16:9. We'll put this down on the timeline. All right, and so it's going to move everything to the timeline, right? So this is your timeline. I'm going to delete that part. All right, great. So you can literally start coming in here. You find stuff that you like, and it's actually going to create a video for you. It'll even tell you how long the video is in the other corner. And you can either record your voice over it, or you can actually just create your voice over in another software program and just bring it over inside of here, okay? And so you just simply build out your storyboard. You just add it, and as you're layering things, it will actually increase it, right? And so it'll just layer the stuff for you and create the video for you. And you just keep adding stuff. Now this is a storyboard, and you can come in here and interchangeably change out all the stuff that's in here. So if you want to remove an element, you can remove an element. You could change an element. All of this stuff, you can come in here and just easily click and change everything. You've got all your text and all the stuff that you can do. So it's really, really simple as far as using it is concerned. It's really sort of self-explanatory. Now, you get all your templates here. You can upload your media here. You can add or change the text, the type of text. You can add subscribe buttons in here. So if you're a YouTuber and you're looking to add some subscribe buttons into your videos, you can do that here. You can also upload subtitles here. So if you've got an SRT file, you should be able to upload that here, as well as videos. You can add videos in here as well. Okay, so if you're doing some different types of videos, you can add photos into your videos. You've got audios that you can choose as well. You've got overlays. If you have a different type of overlay that you want to do. So the reason why I like this is because everything is pretty much already done. You can just come up in here and sort of snazzy up a video that you've already created, and all you would have to do is just drag and drop it. Okay, so it's really, really cool. All right, and that's why I really like it. So if you're doing some type of social media stuff, or you're creating lessons, you can actually create your you can create your slides here, and you can make really nice slides, and just export the slides, and then you can just use those in your presentation if that's something that you wanted to do, just like you would in Canva. If you're going to do it inside of Canva, you could do the same thing here, and it's really cool. Because let's say, for instance, you wanted a photo, and you were talking about yoga or something. You could bring that in, and as you see, it put the yoga behind there, and you could change the element. All right. So let's say I'm going to click on add a scene here. And let's say we just add this scene, and we wanted to put that in there. We could. Now, I wouldn't do that because it's going to leave these little black lines on the back there, and I don't like that kind of stuff. So I'll just delete it. But yeah, you can change all the sorts of things that you need to do in the background back there. So it's really, really cool, and it makes it really, really easy. Okay. Now, it is available right now at a lifetime deal. Please make sure that you just stack your codes for the amount of stuff that you want, and you can stack your codes when you go through the buying process. Instead of you getting one or two, you can just stack the code, and it's really neat, and you'll really love it. So make sure you hit a thumbs up, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.